Welcome to section 3 of this debt-free course, and this section is all about building your repayment strategy. So we've done so much so far in this course. In step 1, we covered creating your debt-free goal. In step 2, we covered how to lower your interest rate through improving your credit score and refinancing. And now finally in step 3, we're going to use all of that to create your repayment strategy so you know exactly how much you need to make and pay your loans to achieve your goals. So right now we have our debt-free goal and our low interest rate, and we're going to use that to now create a repayment strategy and figure out our monthly payment amounts. So here's how you can do that in Scratch, basically by hand. So the debt-free payment monthly formula is this: your loan plus your total interest divided by the number of months. That is your goal to pay off your loans, or that is your what you think you can achieve. Now, your total interest calculation is your loan times your interest rate times time. So let's run through an example here in numbers. So we have our $100,000 loan. So we're going to plug that in. The $8,000 came below from our total interest calculation, and divide that by our timeline, which is 2 years or 24 months. Put that in months. That comes up with the fact that if we had a 4% interest rate at a $100,000 loan, we would need to pay $4,500 a month to conquer this debt in 2 years or less. Now, thank goodness for calculators, because this is how you're really going to make your debt-free number, and that's through Credit Karma's free calculators. Because doing it by hand is way too tricky. This Credit Karma calculator is so simple and easy. So basically, you can go to the URL that I have below this video, and that's creditkarma.com/calculator/debt repayment. You're going to plug in number 1, your balance owed. So what is your loan amount? In number 2, you're going to plug in your interest rate. So ours for this example is 2.5%. Then you can plug in either your expected monthly payment, so maybe what you want to pay in or what you think you can pay in, or you could do your desired time frame in months, such as 24 months. So based on a $100,000 loan at a 2.5% interest rate and an expected payoff time of 24 months, we need to pay in $4,333. And what's nice too is below, they also have the principal amount there and the interest that you'll end up. So you sort of know ultimately using this timeline how much total you'll actually pay. Now, I know what you're thinking. That's crazy. There is no way that I can pay $4,333 a month to my loans, as well as afford rent and food and cost of living. I understand that completely. And in the next sections, we're going to talk about how to really save like a pro so that you can funnel as much money to your loans as possible, as well as I'm going to teach you how to find careers that pay you $100,000 or more so that you can conquer this debt easily, quickly, and efficiently, and still be able to live your life. So your task ultimately, now that you have created that monthly payment, is that each month you have to meet or exceed that monthly payment. If you do that, then you will meet or exceed your debt-free goals. So now we're going to move on to the next part of the framework, which is figuring out how much we need to earn and maximizing our earnings so that we can come up with that monthly payment amount and conquer our debt-free goals. Thank you so much for listening to me in this section. I really hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, I know this can be confusing, so simply email me at debtfreept@gmail.com, and I'll see you in the next section where we're going to be talking about the amazing careers that you can do today, even as a new grad, to earn $100,000 or more. So I'll see you there.